How to remove followers from your Facebook page. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. Now first, make sure you are switched to your Facebook page and then open the app, tap on the profile picture in the top right corner, and then once you tap there, tap on your page name right here. Once you open your page, you should see the number of your followers somewhere right here. If you don't worry, just follow up with me. Scroll a little bit down and tap on see your about info right here. Now from here, scroll down to the bottom, and right here at the bottom you should find the list of your followers. You can tap on see all to extend it, and right here you find every single follower of your page. Now find the one that you want to remove and tap on their profile. Now of course it will take you to their profile. All you need to do is to tap on these three dots right here and then tap on block. And it will tell you right here that once you block this user, they will no longer be a follower of any of your pages, and just like that you will be removing them as a follower, and you can do that individually to every single follower. And that is it for the video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.